Here we are today, m156. This engine is under a project. The engine is to be rebuilt. As you can see, I need to scrap this engine from head to toe for rebuilding. Yeah, because the engine, it's all fucked up, it's gone. So it's under a project where it needs to be rebuilt. So I need to work on it for rebuilding. I need to bring down all the engine, remove all the parts, washed, and prepare for rebuilding. As you can see, as it goes on, you'll get updates on everything on it. Yeah, that's it. Need to break down everything in pieces, clean all of them, part by part. The one that are damaged beyond repairs, which replace them. The one that are still good, okay, we use them. That's it. As you can see, from head to toe. It's a huge project, you know. This one is for my boss, so I have to work on it. Everything, pieces by pieces. The engine is scrap, but it will become new with time to come. With time to come. Yeah, that's it. For now, I'll be giving full update on it with videos with time to come. Yep, thank you.